Vidhata generator with super silent acoustic enclosure, control panel and self-start system. Available from 5 kVA to 20 kVA, single phase or 3 phase, water or air cooled. Diesel engine of Vidhata brand, a President Award winning company with an experience of more than 50 years. Alternator, again of Vidhata brand, with 100% copper insulation H class. All spare parts are used of number 1 quality brands only. Dealer network all across the globe. Manufactured by Basant Products India, C46, Foundry Nagar, Hathras Road, Agra, 282006, UP, India. Vidhata, power in your hands.